Hey guys, so I was looking at a dartboard and I was wondering what is the area that the bullseye takes up? If I were to just randomly throw a dart at a dartboard and it could hit any spot with equal probability, what is the probability that I hit the bullseye? Here's a schematic. I'm going to use this to get all the dimensions of it. And for probability, I'm going to use target area over total area. And then for the bullseye, that'd be the same thing. It'd be the target area of the total area. And I'm also interested in this space right here. This is the triple 20. It's worth 60 points. It's the most points you can get on a dartboard. So I was kind of curious what the area of that was as well. And that'll be the same thing. It'll be target area over total area. So first, the easiest thing is, what is the total area going to be? So the total area is going to be the whole dartboard. It's a circle, so it's going to be pi r squared. To find the radius of the entire dartboard, in the schematic here, we can see that the diameter is 451 millimeters. If we cut 451 in half, that gives us 225.5. We can plug that in for r for both of these. And then 225.5 squared is 50,850.25. So the area of an entire dartboard is 50,850.25 pi millimeters squared. So next, for the target area of the bullseye, it's also a circle. So that's going to be pi r squared. And the r for this, we can go over here and see the diameter is 12.7 millimeters. So the radius is going to be half that, which is 6.35. In for this r, I'm going to plug in 6.35. And then 6.35 squared is 40.3225 pi. If we do this divided by this, that gives us approximately 0.079%. Or as a fraction, that's 1 over 1,261. So the inner bullseye is a very small percentage of the entire dartboard, and that's expected. So now for the triple 20, that slice out of it is 1/20th of the entire circle. We're going to multiply it by 1/20th. It's going to be this larger circle minus the smaller circle. So the formula is going to look like this right here. For the larger circle, it tells us the radius here is 107 millimeters. So we'll plug that in for the r right here. And then for the smaller one right here is the width of those rings. So the width of the ring is 8 millimeters. So the smaller radius should be 8 less than 107. So that's going to be 99. So we'll plug in 99 right here. 107 squared is equal to 11449, and 99 squared is equal to 9801. We subtract those and we get 1648 pi. And then 1648 pi divided by 20 is equal to 82.4 pi. And we can plug all this into a calculator. It gives us approximately 0.162%. And as a fraction, that is 1 over 617. So the triple 20 has about twice as much area as the bullseye. How exciting.